Hey guys, welcome back to East 7 Acres. In our last video, we were heading up the hill to see what kind of trouble James was getting into. Let's go check it out.
All right, this could be good, this could be bad. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, it looks like we're attempting to pull. Looks like we're attempting to pull the container with the bobcat. I don't think it's going to, unfortunately. Oh, makes me nervous when he does stuff like this. Not gonna work? Huh? Oh man. Alright, well, that didn't work, but that's okay.
So 2021 had been a very wet year, and we received more rain than normal for our Oklahoma area. It took us much longer to get our piers drilled and set than we expected, actually by a couple of weeks. Each time we would come out to the land to work and check on our progress, this is unfortunately the scene that we came up to many times. James would have to use a pump to pump the water out, and we would just hope and pray that we would not get any more rain and it could have a chance to dry out so we could pour our next piers.
We seem to be stuck in what we feel like is a perpetual rain. So we got the piers, the holes for the piers dug yesterday and the day before, so this last weekend. And we had a severe rain and storm last night, so all of the piers drills were filled with mud and water. So James is out here, or we are out here, but James is holding the pump inside each hole to get out some of the water so that hopefully tomorrow we can come back out and pour a few more pillars. So yeah, the not so much fun part. It's that part too. I don't know if you can see it with the sun, but the muddy boots and getting stuck in the mud trying to walk. All right, so I'm trying to get over here to this other hole. So that is one of the holes that James dug this weekend, and all of them look like this, or did look like this. So like I said, James is just walking. That one I think he already got. He's just walking around trying to get those holes dried up a little bit. We were kind of afraid this would happen, but good news is The ones we poured this weekend are looking pretty good. So we just have, sorry, sticking in the mud here. We have a total of 16 that we need to complete. So that means we have 12 more left. So hopefully we can get a few more set over the next couple of days. Poor husband over there holding that pump. Guys, we just cannot seem to catch a break from the weather. It's extremely wet season, or wet year, sorry. Just keeps raining and raining, and then we had the snow a while back, and so it's just been a mess. But that's okay. We have this view, and we have the ability to sit here and just appreciate God's beauty and what He has given to us. Like and subscribe if you would like to stay up to date on our build.
Hey, wait, don't go anywhere just yet. Hit that notification bell because next Monday, January the 10th, we will be dropping the video of the containers finally heading to their final resting spot. Stay tuned.